how to fix Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing. Welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when Instagram Reels liked by your friends are not showing. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions often cause glitches with features like likes and activity. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, update the app, and then check again. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent Instagram from loading likes and activity properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the issue. If the problem continues, clear the Instagram app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, and clear the cache. On iPhone, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app to refresh its data. Another important step is to check your account's activity settings. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then Settings and Privacy. Make sure your activity and interaction settings allow you to see likes and activity from friends. If you still can't see likes on Reels, log out of Instagram and log back in. This refreshes your account session and often fixes small glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be a temporary Instagram bug. In that case, all you can do is wait for Instagram to fix it in the next update.
Keep on
And that's
smiling.
it. Those are the steps to fix Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and share this tutorial with your friends. Thanks for watching.